Hello, hello, hello. I'm here really quick because I'm a very impatient person. I got some major happy mail for me. I signed up for a Kindred Spirits class that's coming up on the 20th, and I'm only sharing this with you guys because I believe as of the last email I saw a day or two ago, there's still some space in it. If anybody, oh my gosh, I can't even get this open, is of the notion that would like to join us, I'll admit it's pricey. It's like a buck 20, it's 120. But I decided to do it. But there it is. It's Kindred Spirits. They had me. I'll be honest with you. I'm easily assuaged. They had me at Disney. So these are the goodies. Oh my gosh, look, there's even lights in there. There's going to be 3 cards, I believe. But anyway, I will link you down below to the description of the whole thing. But my kit came today, so I'm like really excited. Wah! So in it are, let's see, we have, oh, look, they sent me jelly beans. Oh, I love it. So we have jelly beans. We have a light. Look at that. That is a light, guys. So there, one of our cards obviously is going to have lights in it. We have ribbon, obviously Disney themed ribbon. We have sparkly bits in the Disney colors. So there's going to be a shaker. Oh no, and look at these. Look how adorable these sparkly bits are. You guys see, they're the Mickey pants. Oh, they're adorable. I'm sorry. I'm very easily this excited, but I'm all about Disney. We get a pot of glitter. We can always use more glitter. A button. Wow. A button. Aren't these okay? These are the characters. So it's the button of those characters. And then washi tape. Oh, look how cute that is. That is some really cute washi tape. So yay. And of course, whoa, the dies. So we have a train, because I know there's a train. And then a castle. Hello, what's Disney without a castle? I'm pretty sure that's a castle. Looks like a castle to me. And then we have paper. I want to see, because there's more in here. This is not all of it. There we go. This is what I was looking for. The stamps. Look how stinking adorable these are, guys. They're Disney themed. They're not Disney, because hello, can we say copyright? But they're Disney themed characters. But look how adorable. I'm gonna bring it. So that you guys can see it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm really jazzed, and I am not the world's greatest colorist. I'm probably the world's worst, but I'm excited because this is something, Disney characters are something easy enough that it's very minimal. If any, I could get away with not shading it, quite frankly, and it would be okay. So that's why I went ahead, and I love Disney. I mean, if it's out there and it's Disney themed, I've got it. I have all the say cheeses. I've got Echo Park stuff. I love it. So we have that, and now let me go into, let's see here, before I open up the packages, we've got the stencil, really cool. So we'll be doing fireworks, and look at the Disney balloon. I know, I am what I am. I'm really excited. I really am really excited. We have a towel, a purple towel. They could only have made this better if it was not purple. If they had made it blue, but a microfiber towel. So yay. Okay, so guys says, okay, Myra, we really don't care about the towel. Show us the paper. Okay. All right. Don't be impatient. But they send us, of course, the paper for these kits, for the kit. So, ooh, okay, there we go. I flipped it inside, so now it won't stick on itself. There we go. So this is the Park Pal. So this is their pad of paper. So, and it's glossy, so it's not regular cardstock. It is pretty heavy cardstock actually, but it's glossy, has shiny. Can you see that? So it's got it. There you go. Yeah, you can. So it's shiny paper. So red polka dots, black polka dots. Ah, the Disney color polka dots. And then a bunch of little sentiments, little sign thingies. I love this. All right, because oh yeah, this is gonna get used. And then stars, yay! And then stripes. But no, wait, there's more. So this is the heavyweight. There's 2 weights. So this is the heavyweight. So this is 4 classes. It says 4 classes. And then we have lightweight. So this is now paperweight. So we've got 2 more packages. One is printed. I think it's the same paper. My money is on. It's the same paper, but now this is standard, like 65. I think the other one was at least 80-pound paper. This is your basic, see, but it's still shiny and pretty, so it's the same paper. So they give you plenty. Oh, look, but we have more. We have buttons. And then we have the sentiments and we have the stripes. So they gave us a little bit more on the paper. And you know what, guys? I'm not even paying attention. I'm an idiot. So let's do this. It's double-sided paper. Durr. So we have the hands. We have, God, it speaks like checkers to me there. And then we have more stars, but with the stars is, okay, so it's the other side of the button. So we had that. And then we have chevrons. Okay, that don't stare at it too long. It'll make you dizzy. And then we have these bigger circles. And then we have a plaid. So you have, two of each, heavyweight and lightweight I got. And then my regular cardstock. So again, this is not, like I said, it's not cheap, but it's there'll be several classes. So it's an all-day event. And it's this weekend. And then they give you the solid cardstock to match it. And again, it's pretty lightweight as well. So no, but still, and then they have blue. So it gives you all the paper you need for the kids. It's going to be all day. So if anybody has a couple of bucks extra to spare and you want to, you might still be able to get into it. Otherwise, I'm going to be there. I have a couple of friends. 3 of us are taking it all together on there on Saturday. So if I have my act together, any videos that go up on Saturdays because I shot them on Friday. But I'm going to be there, and I will come back to you guys later and show off what I made. But just know the only way to get this, I believe, is to sign up for this class. I do not believe this will be available outside of this class. Just saying. So again, I will link you the details down below. Alrighty, guys. But I just wanted to show this off to you because I'm so excited and I love this kind of stuff. All right, guys. I will see you a little bit later. I'm still trying to put together the card. I mean, it's been a really busy day for me. It was a busy weekend and a busy work day today. Mondays always are for me. So I will hopefully see you later tonight or tomorrow with the card that's already. I've got the sample made. I just got to shoot the video. But meanwhile, guys. You know the drill. If you like this and you like the rest of it. Oh, you know what? Real quick, I'm going to take advantage. I'm sorry. I also got an Amazon order. It came together too, and I wanted to share this with you guys because I think I told you about it. I ordered on Amazon 1/8 inch. I found it. I found 1/8 inch foam tape. So I will link you down below, but it just came. It came together. The mailman brought me both of these together. He was very good to me. And so I will link you down below if you're interested because I'm happy. Hello, it's here. It's, it's not, like super thick, but just enough. But I'm excited because I need this a lot. I have notoriously had to cut down regular width paper to do that. So or the regular width tape. So I will show you guys later what I do with this. I will now make sure I make a shaker card where I need this just to show you guys how it works. But I wanted to let you know I got it, and I'll link you down below to where I got it from on Amazon, okay? Because I think both of these rolls were like $7.99, and I have Prime. So it was free shipping. All it was tax. But so anyway, that's all I have for you guys. If you like what I say or don't like what I say, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. I won't take it personally. I might cry, but there you go. And otherwise, if you want to see more of my madness, then by all means subscribe and ding the bell so you know when I'm out here being crazy again. Otherwise, guys, have a great day. Go out there, be creative, do your thing, and I will see you on the next one. As always, remember, we're all a little mad here, so scrap the madness. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye. Hello. Mail call. More mail. For a person for thinking that today was a federal holiday, it's President's Day, and I thought I wasn't going to get any mail. I'm getting an awful lot of mail. So I wanted to stop and come back on here and let you guys know I got my tonic order. And this was, I forget when I ordered this. So let's take a look. Let me just pull it out. I already started opening like, oh no, I felt unfaithful. So I think this is last week's Wednesday. So wow, guys, I ordered this on probably Tuesday because Tonic sales. It starts Wednesday, but in the UK, which means it's earlier here, at least in California. So it hits us on Tuesday. So I got my holy mackerel. This thing is big. I got my dies. So these two are the ones I ordered. Let me see, and I'm going to tell you guys real quick. Let me open up my invoice because at least they tell me what I paid for these things. Okay, so I got, I really wanted this. I am so jazzed that I got it. It's a gift box, basically. Here it is. Look at that. This thing is I'm just really, can you tell? I'm just like, blah, 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 over how big this die is. But this is the crochet box. And I saw a fellow YouTuber, Vienna Creates, do hers, and I was like, oh, I was very jealous because she got it in one of the $25 mystery bags. I go, my luck would not be that way. But look, whoa, they put it on sale, and I got this die for $11. So whoa, I am very, really, 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 really excited. So I have it now, so I will definitely be slapping this together and as quickly as I can and making something to it. Look how pretty, just in the colors they did. Lord knows, I probably have this paper. I have, I have more paper than Tonic does, I swear, of their stuff. So I got this. I can't get over how big this is. It's like, wow. Okay. And then the other thing I got were the sentiment dies. And I'm not kidding you. When I saw the alert, I got the email that it was live. I could not get there fast enough because I don't think this sold out. I don't know. You might be able to check and see. I'll link it and see if you can still get it for the same price. I'm not going to hold my breath on it, but you never know. But these sold out. These sold out fast. So I'm really, really jazzed. So I got three dies, and these were $5.99 total, guys. So this one says happy birthday. We always need a different happy birthday, and if we don't, we do anyway. Thank you with little flowers on it. I'm very jazzed. And then this one is just for you. So these are so awesome. So maybe I'll test these out. I'm gonna at least show you guys. But honestly, a really cool, mixed media background, and then cut this out, put it in the front, one and done. I think it's awesome. You know what? One moment, please. Sorry about that. I came back. The peanut gallery needed to leave for work, and he needed me to move a car so he could leave. I mean, honestly, I don't see why he just couldn't go over my car, but I don't know. Anyway, I just wanted to come back to finish off. So yeah, I'm pretty jazzed about all this stuff I've got. I'm going to play with these. I'm going to try to get something done for tomorrow. I'm really up my tree with needing to get stuff done. So let's see if I can pull the timing off, because this is something I think I can do easily. So regardless, just like I said before, guys, thanks a lot for coming and hanging out with me and seeing my crazy mail that came today that wasn't supposed to come. So, because we haven't had regular mail, it is only packages that have arrived today. So I don't know. But anyway, I will be back, guys. I will be back and show you what I did with it, because I'm really, really excited about this stuff. But anyway, meanwhile, if you want to see more of my zaniness or you enjoy this insanity, by all means, give me a thumbs up. And if you give me a thumbs down, that's okay. I won't cry. At least I try. I will try not to. Anyway, but please, and if you want to see more of this insanity, by all means, go ahead and subscribe to me and ring the bell, and you know when I'm back. Otherwise, guys, have a great day. Take care of yourselves. Go out there and be creative. And meanwhile, don't ever forget, we're all a little mad here. Okay, so scrap the madness. I'll talk to you later. Bye.